Alright. Alright. Okay. Let's chop this onion up. Hey y'all, so I'm back because I'm fixing to make some broccoli cornbread, and it's really good. A girl that I used to be friends with a long time ago, she put me on to this. I think I was like 15, 16. I still remember how she made it. She made it for me. She used to cook for me.
Mommy,
It's an old friend, and she can cook her ass off.
Mommy, where's my...
But I'm using this, and I'm boiling some broccoli. Boiling the broccoli. And I'm chopping this onion because the onion goes in there. And then you put cheese in there as well.
Mommy.
Some kind of broccoli cornbread.
Mommy. Can I do it?
Yeah, go ahead. Just be careful and I'm gonna make some of this too. I couldn't even find the matches. There's two different ones, but I don't care. Oh well. Here, throw this away from me, please. Chop this up. I was waiting in that line for a long time. The teachers in there don't be paying attention. But my daughter wasn't paying attention either because they're supposed to pay attention to when their names are being called. And I guess wasn't nobody paying attention, so. I had to get out of the van for them to realize that I was still parked there waiting on one more of my children to come out of that school. But she finally come out, so that's all good. Like I said, them teachers just be in there talking. Don't be paying attention. It'd be kids in there still waiting to go home. They could be sitting there for about 15, 20 minutes. And they just in there talking. It don't make no damn sense.
Mommy.
Yeah.
When I'm just sitting there waiting for my name to be called, my teacher keeps talking out loud. I can't hear my name.
I don't know why they be doing that.
They're yelling and stuff. They're talking out loud.
Do you try to listen for your name though? You be in there talking too though, don't you?
No, I'm just sitting.
Last time you told me you was in there talking to somebody last time.
I did, but
Which is fine. Like, it's the teachers that obviously that's part of their job. They're supposed to be paying attention to when the kids' names is being called.
I was talking last time, but I was talking again.
Well, next time you hear your name, if you can hear it, just get up. Because I'll be out there waiting on you. And next time, get the teacher's attention. Like, go up to, raise your hand, do something, and say, hey, has my name been called? I bet you was the only one left in there, wasn't you?
There's more people sitting there. Mommy, are you coming to my dance tomorrow?
Jungle Boogie. Yes.
Do I put it in the sink?
Alright, let's see if it caused the same thing over here.
Mommy, do I put it in the sink?
I don't understand how the match to that is not in there. I'll do this part.
So I can put it in there?
No, I'm gonna do this part. That's what I just said.
Right here?
Ew. Go ahead.
I hate onions, but I'm just gonna try it.
You hate it, but yeah, I love it.
Why do they make onions so spicy?
That's supposed to be the sweet onion.
It tastes
Mm-hmm.
It's a little spicy, but no. It's a little sweet, but it's more spicy. I want to drink.
Okay. Leah, go see if you can find the lid to this for me, please. Over there in the box. Supposed to be getting there's this thing I ordered on Amazon because I still got a lot of my dishware in boxes, and I ordered a nice little cabinet thing where you can put like the microwave, and it's got 3 drawers and 3 cabinets, I believe. And I'm excited about that. I ordered a table. I ordered them a table. What else? I ordered them bed frames. I still have to get the mattresses though. I got them a comforter set. Just went ahead and got some things that we needed. Because I'll be putting my pots and pans in them boxes over there.
Then why did you open the door?
It's all good though. Everything's working out. I got a cute little bathroom thing that goes around the toilet. I got that last night. So fix you what? What are you gonna get?
I want some like
Hmm?
I want some like that.
No. No. Why ain't this coming on? There it goes. It's not blinking now though.